Oh, do you love Timmy, Ruben? Yeah. Oh, is he licking your head? What a silly doggy. What a silly puppy. He wants you to rub his belly. Yeah, he says, rub my belly, Ruben. You rub his belly with a phone? You being gentle?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice, Ruben. You want to sing a song?
Die, die.
Die, die, anu. Die, die, anu. Die, die, anu. Die, anu, die, anu, die, anu. Oh, you gonna get some juice? Yeah, juice is yummy.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mama.
Oh, those are yours? Are those your phones?
Mama.
And that's Grandma's phone, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ruben's got 2 phones and Grandma's got 1. How did that happen?
Beep.
Beep. Maybe Timmy should have a phone. There you go, Timmy. You can call somebody. Oh, Ruben. You are so sweet. Timmy, Ruben loves you. Oh, you got Grandma's phone again, you rascal. Thank you.
Let's go.
Gentle. Be gentle with Timmy.
Belly.
Timmy.
The belly.
Yeah, that's his belly.